Hi, in this video I'll be showing you this. It's the Hoover H3WPS4106 TM6 washing machine. There's no way I could remember that, that's why I need to read the model number off the engine label. Anyway, in this video I'll be showing you this washing machine with some of the features and benefits that it offers. Just before I start, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just give us a quick thumbs up, click subscribe. First of all, I'll just show you the dimensions on the washer. So as far as the width, you're looking at 60 centimetres, around 23.5 inches wide. The height of it, you're looking at 84.5 centimetres, or just over 33 inches. And then the depth, so front to back, I will show you around the back of the washer in a moment, but you're looking, so to the front lip here, really you need to allow 52.5 centimetres, or around 20.75 inches, or if you wanted to include the door as well, then really you need to allow 59 centimetres or around 23.25 inches. So if you are going to purchase the washing machine, or I suppose any washer, just make sure you have a quick measure to make sure it will fit in the space. To select the program you want, all you need to do is just rotate the dial and that switches the machine on. It'll sing a little song like it did just then. Hopefully you can see here you've got a really nice clear red LED display, and I must say Hoover normally do very well with this, some of their displays. But what I want to do is to run through some of the programs and what they have to offer. So the first program here, you'll see this is the remote control or Wi-Fi program, and with this, I suppose it's almost a separate video on its own. What you can do is you can set this up to operate from your phone or tablet, and it just gives you extra functionality that you can use within the machine. So it's something I'd recommend setting up because there are quite a few benefits that the machine can offer with this program. The main program to start with is the cotton program, and with this program is suitable for washing coloured cotton garments at 40 degrees, or for ensuring the highest degree of cleanliness for cotton resistant laundry at 60 or even 90 degrees. The final spin is at the maximum spin speed and it ensures excellent water removal. So on this one you have got the full capacity of up to 10 kilograms. You can see it's a really good load on this machine, so if you have got a large family then this could really be the machine to go for. As you go on to the next program, Eco 40 to 60, with this one, this enables you to clean normally soiled cotton laundry declared to be washable at between 40 or 60 degrees. This is the program that's used on the energy label, which I'll show you a bit later. But with this one, you will see that the program is quite a long program at 3 hours 23 minutes, but this one is a very energy efficient program. So the next program is the wool and hand wash. And with this one, this program performs a wash cycle dedicated to the wool fabrics that can be washed in a washing machine. The articles to be washed by hand or laundry items made from silk or specified as wash as silk on the fabric label. Next program, this is the 20 degrees centigrade program. So this is a really good program where it's going to wash at a low temperature of only 20 degrees centigrade, and it allows you to wash different fabrics together and also colours. Things like cotton, synthetics and mixed fabrics, and what it will do is I suppose the main advantage is it can save up to 40% of a conventional 40 degree wash in the energy consumption. Next option is synthetic and coloured, and with this one, this program allows you to wash different fabrics and different colours all together. The rotation movement of the drum and the water levels are optimised both during the wash and the rinsing phase. The accurate spin action ensures a reduced formation of creases in the fabrics. Next one, at the bottom here, is the drain and spin, and that's a really good program. If you've hand washed something and if all you want to do is just to give it a quick spin and drain, then you'll see here's quite a quick 10-minute program. One at the bottom is the rinse as well. So if you have, say, hand washed something but you wanted to give it a quick rinse before it will go through the final spin phase, then that's the program to select, and as you can see it's 29 minutes approximately. Next one is called Fitness Care, and this is a perfect combination of time and performance, and this has been created to eliminate dirt from athletic garments and sportswear. A low temperature wash recommended for small load of synthetic items. Next program is called Soft Care, and with this one, this is developed to take good care of delicate items. This program washes at low temperature in around 59 minutes. Extended in depth rinse nourishes fabric fibres. Next program is the steam care. So with this one, this program uses steam treatment to relax the creases and achieve the ideal degree of humidity for easier ironing. 3 different intensity levels can be selected via the button, designed for dry or wet garments, depending on the type of fabric. Next one is Allergy Care Pro. So this washing program is capable of reaching a temperature of 60 degrees centigrade for an extended period of time, combining the steam action with a powerful rinsing action for thoroughly clean and hygienic clothing, recommended for cotton fabrics. So this program can be really good if you've got somebody in the household that suffers with allergies, then that's really one of the main programs to look for. Next one is the Rapid Care 14, 30 or 44 minutes. And with this, as it says, it enables you to wash between the 3 different times. So to start off with, you've got 14 minutes, and on that one you can wash a maximum capacity of up to 1.5 kilograms. If you were to wash for the 30 minutes, that's 2.5 kilograms, or the 44 minutes is 3.5 kilograms. And to toggle between the 3 programs, all you need to do is press this button here, and as you can see, it started off at 14 minutes, now it's on the 30-minute program, and then if you press it again, it's gone to the 44-minute program. And to go back to 14 minutes, all you need to do is just to press the button again. Next program, All-in-One 59. So this is a really good program if you wanted to wash different fabrics together, such as cotton, synthetics and mixed fabrics, all together in only 59 minutes. Using the full load of the washing machine at 10 kilograms at 40 degrees centigrade in temperature. So with this one, this is an ideal program particularly suited for slightly dirty fabrics. So if you have got, say, a lot of washing to do, and if everything is very dirty, then personally I'd look at some of the programs around here. But for an everyday wash, if you wanted to wash everything in 59 minutes, that's one to certainly look at. Final program on here is called Extra Care, and with this program, this may be used to wash laundry of different colours and fabrics together without altering their original look and feel. Through a perfect emulsion of water and detergent, the best possible care for your clothes is guaranteed, with optimal washing performance at a temperature of 30 degrees centigrade. You have got quite a few different options on here. So if I just turn it around to the cotton program, then what you can do is you can toggle between different temperatures. So on this program you can go all the way up to 90 degrees, go through to 60, 40, 30, down to 20 degrees, and then it will just wash in a cold wash. So that will just wash in the temperature of the water that's arriving into the machine. You'll find you've got the adjustable spin speed as well. So it starts off at 1400 RPM, then it goes down to 1000, 800, 400, or down to a no spin option. The next button on here is called the anti-crease, and what that does, this function allows you to minimise creases as much as possible in eliminating the intermediate spins or reducing the intensity of the last one. And some of these options are only available on certain programs. You've got things like delay start, so if you've wanted to just delay the start of the program, so if you've got things like economy 7 where you've got cheap electricity during the night, or if you just wanted to delay the start of it, then that's the button to press. You've got quite a few different options down here, so you've got things like extra rinses, you've got things like a pre-wash as well. Next option here is the plus button, and that's called Hygiene Plus. So activated when you set 60 degrees of temperature, this option allows deep cleaning of your clothes by maintaining the same temperature for the whole wash. So again, that can be a good option if you've got somebody in the household that suffers with different allergies. This is where you've got the 3 different stain levels. So if you had items of clothing that were very dirty, then I'd recommend selecting the option at the bottom here. If they're not too dirty, then just press that button, and as you can see, it reduces the time of the wash by quite a lot actually. So if just going from 2.5 hours, then down to 1 hour 53, then to 118. Then the final 3 options down the right hand side here. First of all, you've got something called Active Wash at the top here. So this option, which can be operated with several programs, optimises the water and energy consumption of the selected program, maintaining the washing performance unchanged. Then the next option down here is called Night and Day. And basically, if you were going to use it, say the machine during the night, and if you've got, say, an open plan flat or apartment where noise of the machine can be quite important, then what they will do is it reduces the intermediate spin speed to 400 RPM where applicable. Then the final option here, the one at the bottom, this is the drum clean. So this is a really good one if you tend to use temperatures of the lower range. So if you're washing at say 20 or 30 degrees a lot, then use the drum clean option. I'd recommend say once a month. If you're the sort of person where you are going to wash at slightly higher temperatures of say 40, 60 or even 90 degrees quite often, then I must say the drum clean option won't be needed as often. To open the door, nice and easy, you've just got a large grip handle on the inside of the door and just pull that, and as you can see the door will open almost 180 degrees, which is actually really good because it gets the door well out of the way for when you're loading or unloading the clothes. Now the porthole size on this, you're looking at 32 centimetres or around 12 3/4 inches. Now something I do comment on quite a lot is the material of the hinges and door catches, and I must say a little bit disappointed that Hoover have decided to put plastic hinges and door catches. It doesn't cost a lot to put metal hinges and door catches on, because you can find if you were to lean on the door then you could break the hinge quite easily, but nevertheless that's what we've got. Now I said I'd show you around the back of the washing machine, and here we go. So first of all, you've got the 4 transit bolts here. Now these are imperative to take out. What these do is these hold the drum steady during transit, and if you don't take them out then it will damage the machine and will not be covered under the manufacturer's warranty. First of all, you've got the mains cable at the top left here, you've got the waste connection at the bottom right, and you've also got the water connection at the top right. You do get a new water hose with it, so it is recommended to try and install that when you first connect the machine up. If you use an extended hoses, so if you can't use this, then at least take the washer out of here and put it into the old hose. Now you will find you get these 4 cheeky little things in the packet of instructions. Now what these do, you just take them off individually. When you take the transit bolts out, just pop them in there, and all it does is it just covers the hole up. Just show you the energy label on the machine. As you can see, it's an A energy rating, so very energy efficient. It's saying it will consume approximately 46 kilowatt hours of energy per 100 cycles. Of course that's going to depend on the cycles that you're using. If you're going to wash at higher temperatures, then it will consume a lot more than that. Just proving that it's a 10 kilogram load, 51 litres of water, but again that really depends on what you're going to use as far as the programs. Main things to look at the bottom, you've got the B for the spin efficiency, and also the noise level at 76 decibels is a B rating as well. Now I always say that noise is quite important when you're looking for a washing machine, because what you don't want to do is to buy a washing machine then find it's quite noisy, which can be really frustrating if you live in an open plan flat or apartment. If you think of purchasing one of these machines, I've provided a link below to show you where to get one at a competitive price. Hope you enjoyed this quick video on this Hoover washing machine. I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just give us a quick thumbs up, click subscribe, leave any comments below. Do always ask for comments, whether it's good or bad, about the video. If there's anything that I've missed, so if there's a particular feature that you've come here to look at, then just pop it in the comments and I'll get back to you. Also, if you have got one like this, if you've got a Hoover washer like this, it doesn't necessarily have to be this model, let me know what you think about it, because I always appreciate the honest feedback, good or bad. Thanks for joining me today.